Less than a 10-minute walk from the center of Cotacachi, Ecuador, lies this charming private community of townhomes. Cotacachi is bordered by two spectacular mountains, Mount Imbabura and Mt Cotacachi. Positioned at the back of the community, this lovely townhouse was built in 2011 and remodeled in 2021. This included replacing the entire subfloor, adding moisture barriers and new flooring. The owners also added a personal parking pad in front of the home, and there are 3 more guest parking spaces available at the front of the community. The owners have already moved and are selling the home unfurnished. We filmed the home unfurnished, but have also provided pictures of the rooms furnished to give you a better idea of how the rooms were laid out. The home's social half bath is conveniently positioned just off the entry foyer. The kitchen includes the refrigerator freezer and a brand new 6-burner gas range oven. At the back of the home is the spacious family room. Its large skylights bring in an abundance of natural light. On the other side of the room, a custom-built cabinet is set up to enclose a washer and dryer, general storage, and even a custom space for a cat box. Now it's time to head out to the side patio. The owners built this out in 2018, and with Cotacachi's year-round spring weather, it's the perfect space to entertain family and friends. If it's a chilly evening, you can stay warm around the custom wood-burning fireplace. Back in the house, let's head upstairs and take a look at the bedrooms. At the top of the stairs is a beautifully built storage cabinet. A large skylight floods the staircase and landing with plenty of sunlight during the day. A beautifully tiled full bath is set between the bedrooms. To the left is the home's original master bedroom. It features a built-in wardrobe, an ensuite bath, and a great window view of the community. Across the hall is the new master bedroom the owners created by removing the wall between the 2 guest bedrooms. They did, however, leave the 3rd bedroom door in place, so it could easily be turned back into a 3-bedroom home simply by replacing the dividing wall. Are you looking for a charming, well-cared-for home in a secure, gated community? A home that has a spacious living area, a kitchen with plenty of cabinets, an included range and refrigerator? A home that can be either 2 or 3 bedrooms, depending on your needs. Would you like a large family room with room for a washer and dryer? Not to mention a wonderful outdoor space with a fireplace to relax and entertain? If this home checks off the must-haves on your new home shopping list, then call today before this one gets away.